Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Auth0 and RLS in Softr. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Auth0 and RLS in Softr, start by creating an Auth0 account if you haven't already. Log into your Auth0 dashboard once your account is set up. Create a new application by selecting Applications from the menu. Click on the Create Application button. Choose a name for your application and select Single Page Application as the application type. Once the application is created, navigate to the Settings tab to configure your application. Take note of your domain, client ID, and client secret, as you will need these later. Scroll down to Allowed Callback URLs and input your Softr application's URL. Also, include the allowed logout URLs and allowed web origins. Now, open your Softr application in a new tab. Go to the Settings section of your Softr app. Select the Authentication option from the left menu. Choose Auth0 as your authentication provider. Enter your Auth0 domain and client ID in the respective fields. Next, head back to your Auth0 dashboard to set up the necessary user roles for RLS. Create roles in Auth0 that correspond to the specific access levels needed in your Softr application. Once your roles are set, assign these roles to your users appropriately. Return to your Softr app and configure RLS by going to the Data section. Select the database where your data is stored. Configure the RLS settings to restrict access based on the roles assigned in Auth0. Go to the Permissions section in Softr to define what each role can access. Ensure that the permissions are aligned with the roles you've created in Auth0. Once everything is set up, test the authentication process by logging in with a user account. Verify that users are granted access according to their assigned roles. Test different user roles to ensure the RLS is functioning as expected. Finally, make any adjustments needed in the permissions or roles if the access doesn't align correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.